show you how do water cycling works. So for the water cycling, you need a blue sketch pen, a thick sketch means a thick marker, and a thin black marker, and this should be also black. And then you need a ziplocker, a jar of water with blue color. So it's enough. Means this is the whole thing you need. Now we will take our black sketch pen. I am taking black sketch pen. Now what you have to do, in a side you have to draw a sun, and in the other side you have to draw some clouds. Okay, let's begin. So I am taking your marker. Okay, you can also take sun. I think that's fine. No, that's not. See, our sun is very unique. 3 or 4 clouds like that. Now we will take a blue sketch and draw a border here for the water like this. Wait. Now what I will do is take out black marker and make a Now I will tell you the process. Over here there is sun, and over here you think that this is water. Okay, the sun heats the water and it goes up. What is it called? Evaporation. Evaporation goes up, and the hot water mixes the cold, means the sky is cold. When the hot water mixes the cold thing, means the cold sky, it forms clouds. So over here, it goes over here and mix. I will show you. I will just making an arrow to be clear. Some arrows. One more last arrow. Done. Now again, with this thing, I will make over like again arrows and make till over here. So this is called condensation. So then only the clouds form, and then it clouds form. I've shown when the shaving cream gets heavy, the water falls, the watercolors fall. So again I'm making this arrow. What happens when the cloud gets heavy and water comes down? It is called precipitation. Okay, and then when it comes down, again the sun needs to go like down, like our earth roam like this. Now we are going to show light. When we put water, what happens? Okay, let's do it. After pouring the water, we will stick over windows where the heat is coming. Lots of heat is coming. Okay. Now I'm pouring. So I have just written and put the water. You can see this, and this. Oh, last over here. So now I'm going to stick where the window where the heat is coming. Okay. Done. Let's go. So see, I have just sticked with tape. This stick and it is not falling. Make sure it doesn't fall. Okay. So we will wait for some time to see that this forms something. Okay. Bye. You can see the water is getting evaporated. See, some water droplets is coming. And the packet is being hot also. Wait some more time. Come tell here. Can you see the vapors? Over here, it is come till over here. Evaporation. Till over here. Means it is going little bit of up. See? Now this thing will mix with the cold air in the sky. See? Then it will go condensation, and then it will happen precipitation. So let's wait for some more time. Friends, you can see the smoke. This is only the rain. See the rain. You can see closer, it is water. What is the water? Not smoke. It is water. See, means rain is happening. See this. This is evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Means this precipitation is formed over here. Means this is grow from here and it being a cloud from here and it's falling from here for the middle. Yes, it worked.